Welcome to this video. So I'm going to look at one of these assessments. We are going to use port C.F2 as input to turn on port B.F0. So I'm going to open our compiler, Micro C Pro. So I click yes. So the program loads. So this is our Micro C program. So I've already created the project file, that's Enva class 2, and this is the C file. So I'm going to write the program. So before I do that, let's see what we're handling. So we want to use port C.F2 as input to turn on. So let me paste what we want to do to turn on /off port B.F0. So we are going to use a switch in this our example. So first of all, we configure the registers. So configuring the registers, we have tries B. So we have tries C.F2. So we set it as what? 1. Setting it as 1 means we are using it as what? Input. So the next thing we do is we address the port C.F2. We set it to what? 1. Sorry, you set it to 0. That means clearing the port. Clear the port C.F2. Port C.F2. So the next thing we are going to do, we have addressed tries port. So we are going to address the answer register, answer C. So we go to the data sheet. Go to the data sheet. This is ROC2. This is page 138. So this is the data sheet we are working on with. So this is ROC2. So under the answer setting, under this column, we go down, we scroll down. So we need to use it as what? Digital. So we set our answer to what? 0. So answer C is equal to what? 0. So that's using as what? Digital. So we go over to the so there's something I want to talk again. There's something I want to say here. This 0 means like 0 in decimal. It's also the same thing as 0. It's also the same thing as 0b 0000000. That's in binary. So but we want to use it as decimal. So we are setting the whole answer register for C to what? 0. So all the pins in C, we are setting them to what? Digital. So we go over to the port B. So we go over to port B. We are using port B as what? Output. So we are using that as output. We clear our port B.F0. Okay, sorry, this tries B.F0. Port B.F0. We set it as what? 0. So we clear. So we clear the port B.F0. So after that, we are going to do the skew rate. We set the skew rate. So we are going to set the skew rate for port B. We are going to, that's F1. We set it to 0. That is what? Standard what? Skew rate. Standard. So after that, we use for loop to do our iteration. So we are going to use for loop for continuous activity. We want it to run the program continuously. So we are going to use if statement. So I come here and say if what? If port C dot F2 is equal to 1, lat B dot F0 is equal to 1. Then we are going to use else statement. Else, remember to use lowercase, else lat B dot F0 is equal to what? 0. So this statement means if port C dot F2 is high, lat B dot F0 is equal to 1, else lat B dot F0 equals to 0. So if this condition is not true, it is going to execute this action. But if this condition is true, it executes this particular action. So we're gonna build this project. I'll click on build. See, finish successfully. So we come to the Proteus file, which is already in the documents that are uploaded on the WhatsApp group. So if you come here, you see you are still using the same IC1. So we come here, we double click. Okay, we double click on this. I've already inputted the Enva class 2, so I would like to do it again. I click on it, I click OK. So I'm going to run the simulation. See, we are using our ROB0 as our output. This is our LED, which is connected through a resistor to limit the amount of current flowing through. Then this other arm is our ROC2 as input. We use the pull-up resistor to connect it to 5 volts supply. Then also from that point, we connected it to a switch, which is connected to the ground. So this is the switch, on and off switch. So we're gonna run the simulation. I click the run button. So the simulation is running. So I click here, open. See, once I open the switch, the LED glows. Once I close the switch, the LED goes off. That is what we wrote in our program. If our port C dot F2 is equal to high, port B dot F0 equals to 1. So for it to be high, we see once I close this switch, the ROC0 is sent to is pulled to ground. You see the color is blue. That means it's pulled to ground. That means this our output port is going to be low. But once I open it, it is pulled up to the power source. It's pulled up to 5 volts. Then the LED glows. Okay, thank you very much.